100% PVC with 12 metal grommets plus 3 medium magnets. 4 Splash Guard Suction Cups. Splash Guard Suction Cups helps prevent water from spilling out of the shower. 12 metal reinforced eyelets, prevents tearing. 3 large magnet hem helps liners stay in place. Super heavy gauge to keep liner in place. 100% PVC PROP 65 compliant. Dimensions: 72 by 72. Bath Bliss Splash Guard Shower Liner with Metal Eyelets. Grommets include Splash Guard suction cups to keep water where it belongs in your tub, 3 base magnets to keep your liner weighed down and in your tub. 12 metal reinforced eyelets prevent tears in liner, which helps prolong life. Wipes clean with damp cloth. Made of 100% PVC. Top reviews from the United States. Keeps the water off the floor. Basic, economical shower curtain, does what a shower curtain liner needs to do. Since it's not transparent, it seems to work just fine as the entire curtain. The outer drapery part might be optional. It's a sort of vinyl material, so it's pretty easy to clean to avoid lime buildup, mold and other unsavory stuff. Little magnets at the bottom help keep it stuck to metal tubs to reduce shifting or billowing. I just wish they had a cat-resistant model. I need to replace mine frequently due to shredding.